Hello, this is Ken with Noisy Boys Music. I'm getting a lot of questions on my video that I had the new Ludwig P85 AC throw-off on, which they've since discontinued and modified. So I had put some comments on that video, but I wanted to show a picture of the new one. I've seen it on a drum live in Seattle at Don Bennett's Drum Studio. But here's what it looks like here. I'm going to flip this around here. As you can see, it's got a longer throw-off lever with some lines on it, give it some feedback, and a knob there. And I also have a picture of it like this here. So this is on the raw brass snare that they just came out with. But you can see the handle extends up to the edge of the rim, like the old P85s did on a 5.5 inch or 5-inch snare, and that the knob is larger, and the knob, you can turn the knob while it's engaged, as I recall. It's been a couple weeks since I looked at the drum. But anyway, that's a short video from Ken at Noisy Boys Music on the new P85, whatever the new nomenclature is. And here's one more thing. There's my Seattle Seahawks drum, which I've done a video on, but there's a classic P85 there, which I really had no problems with. You can tell that's an old one because it has the holes for the strings in it. Someone told me you're supposed to weave the strings in through and out all those holes, but there is no way I'm going to do that. Anyway, back to this one. There's the new one. And I'm thinking about a copper phonic. I'm not going to jump on another brass snare drum, but anyway, there's that. There's another angle on it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get my subscribers up to remain monetized YouTube. And I may be doing a giveaway here in a few weeks. So anyway, have a great day.